Hello there, welcome to The Lighting Lover. I'm Eugene Leon and today we have prepared an interesting episode called Check This Light. The light that we select for this episode is the ARNE from Urbidermis. And I have the privilege to show you a project with this luminaire located in Miami. The project name is the UNDERLINE Park in the Brickell neighborhood. This project was led by the lighting consultant HPL Lighting Design. One of the key elements for having good lighting design in parks is uniformity. People feel safe in places with uniform light. For reaching this goal, we need the right position of the luminaires and select the correct beam angles. ARNE luminaires have different beam angles related to their lighting distribution. They could be symmetric, asymmetric, and indirect. We are going to do an example to show you how to choose the correct beam angle. We can do a simple drawing AutoCAD with the height of the luminaire, their position, and the beam angle. For this first try, we select the symmetric medium beam angle with 30 degrees. As you can see, it is not enough light to cover the area producing contrast. If you know how to use Dialux or another lighting calculation software, it's also a good tool to check these assignments using the same information. The problem with contrast is that in areas with high crime, this could be unsafe, as people with criminal intent could be hiding in these dark areas and waiting to strike. Also hiding in these dark areas could be animals like snakes, rats, etc. And finally, there could be obstacles like a rock, a bump, or an imperfection in the walking path. In our second try, we chose a symmetric white fluid beam angle with 60 degrees. As you can see, it covers all the area. One advantage we have with uniformity is we don't need high luminous flux, because our eyes are going to adapt to the uniformity of the luminance around. To understand this term better, let's review a few of the basic terms of lighting technology. What is luminous flux? Luminous flux is the total amount of light a lamp pulls out. The unit of measure for luminous flux is the lumen. Manufacturers give this information. In this example, we are showing data from ARNE luminaires. Both have the same power and color temperature, but when the angle is narrower, you are going to have more luminous flux. In the next example, we changed the power and the color temperature so you can see the huge difference in magnitude when you do a specification to a luminaire. Now, let's talk about the intensity. The intensity is the most powerful ray that the lamp emits. The unit of measure for intensity is the candela. The luminance describes the measurement of the amount of light over a surface. The unit of measure for this is the lux, and this is a very important measurement for lighting designers to watch to meet lighting regulations in architectural or interior design projects. We can get the luxes a surface needs by doing a calculation using the following formula. Illuminance equals intensity per square distance. However, if you don't know the intensity, you can also use various softwares like Dialux or AGI32 to help you determine the luxes you need. Last, luminance is all the light that bounces from an illuminated surface. The unit of measure of luminance is the candela per square meter, which is important to calculate the reflection. This project accomplishes all the criteria we have covered and makes not just a safe environment for people, but also the ARNE luminaires make a cohesive design for this project, creating a new landmark in the heart of Brickell in Miami. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Next time, I will show you more interesting projects and some fun sides of my exciting world in lighting design. I'm the lighting lover, and I hope you can join me to learn more about the lighting world. See you soon!